I got this MAttinata Espresso machine, and we're going to try to make an espresso right now with it. We have not used it yet. Comes with a the instructions are very detailed. They send you a lot of instructions, and they also send you their troubleshooting website if you have trouble on how to use it. It's really, they do a really good job on the instructions. It comes with the cup that's in here for 2 espressos and 1 espresso, and to be honest, I don't know. This has got a little tiny hole in the bottom. I've never used one of those, so I'll have to read up and see how you do one of those. Comes with a frother, and it has a little thing on the side here to shoot it into the cup, and you put the milk in here and it sits up on here. Comes with a tamper and a measuring spoon, and good size back here reservoir is very huge, which is really nice. And it has a removable, this comes off, that comes off, and then this also comes off of there. Then it just locks down. Really nice. So now we've got it all set up to do a double espresso. And what you do is, when you turn it on, it heats up, and you hit this twice. And that'll make a double espresso. It'll stop for a minute, and that's letting it wet the grounds. And that's the cream that comes on top, and that's how much a double espresso is in my cup. In a regular espresso cup, it would probably be a little more. I think it's going to be a very nice product.
All right, I'm going to turn the espresso maker on, and I am going to make a cappuccino, which is not illuminated yet because I need to lock in this button back here, which it magically illuminates the cappuccino button and the latte button. And then I need to turn this knob to lift out the milk spout. I'm going to move my cup over. And I have a large cup because I want a large latte, so I'm going to hit the latte button twice and let it do its thing. So it heats the milk up, it froths it, and when it gets done, it puts the espresso in. Foamy. My husband loves it. Looks like it's going to overflow, but there's a lot of foam at the top there. Now the espresso is going to come through. Again, remember there's a lot of foam at the top, so it looks like it's going to overflow, but it will not. I actually have chicory in there instead of espresso, so that's another kind of experiment for me to see how this chicory latte is going to turn out. I don't like the taste of chicory by itself. I usually mix it with Dandy. There we go. Okay, and then when you get done with that, I'm going to slide the coffee cup out first. There.
No, I'll just have a drink in my room.
The usual.
All right, guys, this is a video review for the espresso machine. As you can see, when I move this thing out of the way, there's water. There's no water here. There's no water anywhere else. It's consistently under this machine. I can't figure out why.